everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Panasonic Technics EAH-AZ40 earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds will not connect or pair with your device or with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you just want to get a fresh start on them and just wipe the pairing history so that you can set them up like a new set of earbuds, this will work. First thing we need to do is put these earbuds in the case as shown here and make sure that they're well charged up. Then we're just going to take them and do them one at a time. We'll take the right earbud out, and when the light on the earbud turns blue, we're just going to press and hold the touch button on it until the light on it blinks blue, red, blue, red, blue, red alternately. It'll take about 7 seconds. Once we do that, we're going to release the button and then press it again and hold it for about 10 seconds until the light on the earbud blinks quickly in blue and then turns off. From there, we can just put it back into the case because it's been reset and go over to the left one and do the same thing. Pull it out. When it turns blue, when the light comes on blue, we'll just press and hold for about 7 seconds until we get the red-blue alternating. Release and then press again for about 10 seconds until it quickly flashes blue and turns off. Put it back in, and then you can take them out and set them both up as a new set of earbuds.